I'm here at Richard Hammond's secret barn where we're getting ready to transport some of these cars behind me to Haynes Motor Museum in Somerset, where we're going to be launching our brand new DriveTribe exhibition this summer. So let's go take a look at some of the cars before they head off. This is the Buick Riviera, and you may be thinking, where do I recognise this car from? Well, it recently featured in one of the Grand Tour specials, Lockdown, where you saw Richard Hammond road trip around Scotland in this. Now I'm only going to show you one more car because you'll have to come to the exhibition to see the rest. And this car is possibly one of the most loved cars from Top Gear, and that is Oliver the Opel. It's been restored a couple of times since it appeared on Top Gear, and we cannot wait to see it in the museum. Right, so the cars are about to get loaded up now and they'll be heading to Haynes Motor Museum, and the next time we see them they will be getting ready to go into the exhibition. If you want to see these cars in person and learn more about the people behind the DriveTribe channel and more about DriveTribe cars, then book your tickets to Haynes Motor Museum. The exhibition opens on the 24th of June. We'll see you there.